Junior girls 800 final OFSAA 2016.
Jocelyn Chow of De La Salle College takes the early lead.
29.
Haley Walker of Havergold running in the second position. Followed by Nina Whitford of Glebe Collegiate in Ottawa. Kenzie Morgan of Kitchener-Waterloo has now moved up into third. It continues to be Jocelyn Chow and Haley Walker setting the pace. Unofficially 1:05 for the first 400 meters. Aurora Rinda of Lawrence Park has now moved into third. Jocelyn Chow of De La Salle continuing to lead. Haley Walker,
137.
Aurora Rinda, Nina Whitford of Glebe has moved into the mix now, but it continues to be Jocelyn Chow. On the final straightaway, Jocelyn Chow, the winner of the 1500 yesterday. And she will win. Aurora Rinda, Lawrence Park in second, 2:10.77. Winning time. Jocelyn Chow, Aurora Rinda, 2:12.06. Haley Walker of Haverhill in third at 2:13.04. Mackenzie Morgan of Kitchener-Waterloo, 2:13.81. Jessica Keller from Our Lady of Mount Carmel at 2:14.70. And Nina Whitford of Glebe, 2:15.14.